Hello viewers, today I'll discuss about a mortgage calculator, and a mortgage calculator provides a very simple and easy to use mortgage calculator for your Joomla website. It has three themes which can be easily adjustable to your Joomla template. It has many options to optimize. We will see it in demo, and you can easily change it to to make sure multilingual support. If any language, you can change it to your any language, and it has support with price format. You can do override CSS with it, and it works nicely beside any issue. It is fully responsive. It works with all templates. If not, support is always available to help. Here is your support text. You can either take live help. So let's see its a demo. So first, if you install this module, you will get a backend like this, and then you will see here is a you will have to position it like according to your need. Then you have to assign it according to your need. You can assign this module. Then you will see the calculator settings, and calculator settings has many options here. First is mortgage theme. Here you get three theme here: default theme, modern theme, classic theme, and there you will get form level like this is total amount. You will see here is total amount, down payment. Here is down payment. You can change this text from backend from here. Then you will see result level. If you check this is result level. This is the result. You will see that. Okay. So this is you can change it from here from your language, and then you will see price format, and you can change your currency sign. Like here is dollar, you can use it euro or any other currency sign you want to. So, and currency sign position, you can either put it before or after, and you can use thousand separator, decimal separator. Number of decimals is 2 here. You see there is 2 decimals after decimal text, and then you will see calculator typo. And here is color settings. Color settings means submit font color. If you want to your font color, you can change it from here. Submit background. This is the background for this is submit button, and submit hover color. You can change this hover color. This is a classic theme, and you can get others option whenever you choose. Like if you choose modern, you will see there is many options here, and if you choose classic, you will see there is options. Calculator background, here is the background. You can change its background. Calculator main color, you can choose its main color. You can label color, you can change this label color. Input background, this is the input background color. Input background, you can change it to everything. You can change it, and anything you need to do custom changes, then you can use custom CSS option, and you can override the CSS from here. So how can it takes a look, how can it calculate? So first take 5,000, and down payment will be 500, interest rate will be 5%, and years will be 5. So let's see how our principal amount is 4,500, because I have did the down payment 500. Yes, 5 monthly payment will be this, balance payable with interest will be this, and total with down payment will be this. So this is a perfect calculator for your website. If you are using a real estate website, you are running a real estate website or any other business website, you can easily use this mortgage calculator for your website. If anything need to change, or if you need any support with it, you just ask me, because I am the developer of it. I'll do the change according to your need. If it is not a big change, there will be no extra bill for it. It will be honor for you, for my clients. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Take care, and bye bye.